I'm adding in some braid accessories. I love braid accessories. I really want to bring them back. I seen a lot of girls rocking these a couple years ago before COVID, and then it just stopped. So I'm like, we're gonna bring it back, and I'm gonna start adding more accessories and more of my hairstyles. You can literally get all of these accessories off Amazon or your local beauty supply store. And yeah, but I just love it. And you'll see me kind of playing around with it, redoing it, because your girl has to make sure it's everything but what it need to be. So you'll see me take it out, put it back in, make sure it's not super tight. And you're gonna just see me using my latch hook to put in this string. When it comes to braid accessories like clamps, it's really up to you on the color. You can add shells. You can pretty much do anything when it comes to this particular hairstyle as far as accessories. You can add more string. She chose these colors of gold and blue, but like I said, you can choose any color shells, any color clamps, and you just put them on there. Obviously, if you untwist this, you can and have it as a twist out. You have to take the clamps off, but yeah, and you just see I'm just adding it in, and we're gonna rock this for about a week, and then I'm gonna do the twist out, then I'll retwist it, and this hairstyle should last about 2 to 3 weeks. It all depends on how you keep up with it. We are tying it down every night, wearing shower cap when bathing, and here's the finished product. I hope you really like this video. Make sure you thumbs up, make sure you subscribe, leave me a heart if you want to see more content, and click the next video. Bye.